Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Zendri's Homestyle Cooking. So guys, I just want to pop on here real quick to wish you all a merry Christmas, okay, and a happy new year when it comes. I hope you spend today with your family, you enjoy some good music, good food and good drink, alright, because I can't even explain. We have seen it all in 2020 has been a year like no other. So to be alive today, we have to be extremely grateful, and don't forget to give thanks in everything that you do, okay? It doesn't really matter if you have the food and you don't have the drink, still be grateful. If you don't have any at all, still be grateful that you have this life. Alright, so guys, I've been extremely busy since lately, so I'm not able to put out any video, but the plan is today I'm just going to do a little snip here and there on my family dinner, okay? I'm not going to go in depth to tell you ingredients and all of those stuff, but I'm going to put out something for you, okay? So once again, I just want to tell you thanks for making it Zendri's Homestyle Cooking. Yes, I'm still not at my goal, but I'm still grateful for each and every one of you, okay? And I'm expecting great things from my channel. Alright, so once again guys, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year when it comes, and I hope to see all of you in 2021. Bye guys.